Okay. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good evening, those who join from different part of the world. I, Elson Kurian, PhD student, UniBB Italy, and our team members are Professor Giovanni Derario, Daniela Bariola, and Pietro Brioni. Today, I'm happy to share you some ideas about our research, test effective generation for safety critical software with KLI. And I'm sure that this talk will be interesting for you. I throw some light to our research goal on exploit symbolic execution for test generation for safety critical software. We develop a tool called test for this automation, and we choose we choose 15 skate programs for the case study, and concluding by verifying our initial experiment results. When you heard about safety critical software, many images will come to our mind. Yes, like control life critical, mission critical tasks, etc., which are highly reliable since a failure may have factual consequence. So to ensure the correct behavior, we need to give a special care and care when we are developing and the quality control activities. So as a team, we are developing a safety critical software for our industrial partner in railway domain. As the property of critical software must be developed and tested in many certain certifications. ETCS, European Train Control System, which is embedded on board in train, and it consists of two subsystems, trackside and onboard side systems. Consider a scenario, the train braking system. If the train passes the permitted speed, to slow down the train, the ETCS need to receive the signal from the trackside subsystem, either from the bullies or from the radio block sensors. So hence, the development and testing of this kind of softwares are extensive. Our industrial partners choose SCADE for the development of ETCS. It's based on the state machine, which is able to compile to C by the help of KCG compiler. And it's meet many guarantees, so like guarantee codes for the certification purpose. For example, EN 50128, which stands for the functional safety standard for the rail industry. Here, a sample state program for the wing mirror control for car to get an idea about the skate program and the skate testing. A sample controller for the wing mirror of car, for which is possible to activate the behavior of closing and closing the wing mirror automatically when the car gets closed. So here we can see that there are two states, which is car is locked and car is unlocked. So the input control governs the possible transition between the two states. The inputs are argumented in the data structures for the wing mirror data. The data structure, the fields are automatic control and the mirror state. I also like the outputs, car state and mirror command. So the figure 2 skate, the figure 2, the skate test scenario to test the wing mirror control state machine. So our goal is to automatically generate the test suite for these skate programs. To achieve this goal, we approach the state-of-the-art symbolic execution, and we choose KLI for our experiment because KLI is able to handle with C code and able to automatically generate the test cases with high code coverage, mainly readily available, thanks to KLI. The KLI is an open source state of the art to perform the symbolic execution. To perform the specified symbolic execution. In this point, I would like to add the novelty of our research and the potential use of symbolic execution. So as you know, right, around 4 decades over, still it's classic, but there are a lot of open problems in the symbolic execution due to path exposure, like they depend on number of unbounded loops and the function calls in the program. And pointer ideas are sharing the memory locations of the pointer in particular with dynamically allocated and unbounded structures. And the main limitation of constraint solving with a complex nonlinear constraint pose a major obstacle to the efficiency. So our intuition is the problems are hard to solve in general, but the restriction imposed by the development process of safety critical software can foster effective solutions. As I mentioned, our industry choose the SCADE mainly for their certification purpose. Like SCADE is able to generate KCG C codes with a safety-oriented restrictions. So the main KCG restrictions are the code which have no dynamic memory allocation, no pointer arithmetic, no pointer alias, no recursive data structures, no recursion, no loop with unbounded condition. So this KCG restrictions is beneficial to automate analyze of C programs. So to recall what I am saying up to now is we make the hypothesis as to the automated test generation based on symbolic execution can be beneficial for the automatically testing safety critical software. So this restriction imposed by the safety critical software can faster our solution. So by summarizing, we make the hypothesis that use the symbolic execution to generate the test case for the safety critical SCADE programs. For that, we develop a tool chain to evaluate our hypothesis for our working context. So the tool chain called test engine for critical software. So let's see here the tool chain model. So the main reason for this test is throughout our experiment phases, we need to unfold all the inputs. Then we need to assign the specified symbolic values to that and execute the target programs many times. So let's see the toolchain in detail with an working example. The test relies on KCG compiler, which is a core compilation toolchain of SCADE suite, able to convert the SCADE program into KCG C program. So this figure shows the illustration of equivalency version of the SCADE program. Now I'm not taking time to go through each line of this code. Let me move to the next phase. The driver synthesizer will assign the program input with symbolic values and call the original program to steer the symbolic execution in the program. So the CLI generate the test input for each execution path in the program using STP constraint solver. Let's see in detail. So the goal, the main goal of the driver synthesizer is to augment the C code with an analyzed driver. Driver designed to steer the CLI execution. So what this will do is it will unfold all the fields of structure, the input data structures. You can see at any nesting level of fields as a necessary as a finite set. So this will call for the multiple times the target function to satisfy our criteria for single state path coverage criterion. So which exercise all the paths and execution sequence that transfers at least one. So this figure shows that one test input from the CLI and the values which are given by the CLI execution. So we are just representing the tabular format for the understanding. Let me move on to the next phase. The test filter, we have the test filter called minimizer, which computes the minimal set of execution paths which guarantee the maximum statement coverage of test input provided from the CLI. So the test synthesizer obtain the test input and just convert into the SCADE format. So here we can see when the CLI terminate symbolic execution, the minimizer identify the minimal set of paths that achieve maximum statement coverage for the test input. So minimizer is using the linear programming library for the path selection, a task considering the linear integer programming problem. So this you can see the figure that the test synthesizer just translate the minimal set of inputs into the SCADE format, that is .sss format. Okay, so we perform a case study to evaluate our hypothesis by considering the 15 SCADE program, and we draw the research question for the evaluation. Does the test accomplish the test generation with acceptable test budget? So by considering the number of execution path and time taken to do this process. And the second research question is which is the quality of the test use by considering number of test cases and comparison with the manual test case. Just move on to the subject program. So this table summarizes the main statistics of internal structure of subject program. Here you can see I choose one shunting code. It stands for the shunting procedure implementation, where the it sort the railway vehicles into a complete train. So, and the remaining 14 codes are from the data consistency library that will check the consistency of data from the onboard unit received from the ground component. So come to the experiment results. So here the time stands for the time taken to complete the overall test generation process. Path 4, number of execution path analyzed by the symbolic execution. Thus for number of test inputs after executing the minimizer. And the COV coverage, COV test stand for the model coverage of test cases. So when we see the first two columns, what we can see is that a very good answer for our first research question. So we can see that it takes very less time to complete the test generation. So this data confirms that the main resource hypothesis, we can exploit symbolic execution to effectively explore the execution space of the program under the test without need of specifying custom boundary for the analyzer. So coming to the next two columns, we can see a very good result for our second research question. So this test is generate that test suite for the manageable size and like high rate of model coverage. So here we can see that the most of the program have more than 80% of model coverage, and 6 program have 100% of model coverage. To analyze the data in further, like we compare our results with manual testing, and so here we did for manual testing for the shunting procedure. But here the main problem we are faced is it takes like 18 hours of man hours to do the manual testing. So what I am concluding that we are studying the feasibility of automated test generation approach based on symbolic execution. So specifically tolerate on the characteristics of programming language for safety critical software systems. So we intended the proposed approach for the two tests, and this test generated for the process written in the SCADE language. So the initial case study suggests that very like a very good approach for our good approach, and this high model coverage for 15 SCADE programs in the SCADE. So we hope that these suites are like in manageable size, and when we compare with the manual testing, it's like a very good opinion. So we are working in progress with extensive experiment in our research phase of our project. So by this, I concluding that I hope it was a I hope you understand well. And I am happy to answer if you have any question. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.